Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the best flip-flops mockup design in Photoshop. So please watch this video till the end. After knowing its full features, you can then decide whether to choose this mockup design for your brand or not. You can download the PSD file and edit it. The download link is given in the description. Here are some of its features you should know. Smart Objects Used allows you to replace design flip-flops item contents for your own responsive designs in a few seconds. Device composition customization is as easy as scaling individual devices as layers. All layers are cleaned up, named properly and color-coded for easy identification of layers designated to be edited by the user. The flip-flops design used in the preview it's not included, and it's used for demonstration only. Features: 6 realistic 3D compositions, 6 PSD files. Resolution 3000 x 2500 px 10 x 8.3, 300 dpi HIC print, changeable background, individual layers, transparent shadow reflected and light. PDF help documents. With Smart Object included, you can edit the layers of the graphic canvas, or remove them completely, and place your own graphics inside, without worrying about perspective, light and shadow effects. The Smart Object in the main file updates itself. You can adjust the effect of light, shadow and reflects changing to appropriate transparency layers.